In this video, we're going to look at calculating the volume for triangular prisms. Okay, so to draw a triangular prism, we'll draw a triangle. So that's two-dimensional, and then we're going to make it three-dimensional. There we go. So we've got our triangular prism. All right, so what we need to do to calculate the volume is we want to find the area of that, I normally call it the base, all right? And then we want to, once we've got that area of the base, we're going to multiply it by how deep that prism is, all right? So let's just have a look at how to calculate the volume of the base. All right, so let's put in some numbers here. Okay, so let's just say this is 6 centimetres. All right, and say that's 4 centimetres that way. All right, the height of that triangle. All right, so to work out that yellow shaded area, it's going to be half of 6 times by 4, all right? So that area is going to be half times by 6 times by 4, all right? And then we need to multiply that by how deep this prism is. So let's just say that it's 7 centimetres deep. Actually, let's put it more in proportion a little bit. Let's just go 10 centimetres deep there. All right. And so then we want to go times 10. So V volume equals half times 6 times 4. That's the area of the base, the yellow triangle, times by how deep it is. Okay, so half times 6 is 3, times by 4 is 12, times by 10 is 120. So we've got 120 cubic centimetres. All right, that's the volume of that prism. All right, let's do another example. This time I'll do a right angle triangle. There we go. Again, for consistency, I'll call that the base. All right. We'll put some numbers in. Okay, so let's say that we've got 5 centimetres. All right. And we're going to do 4 centimetres this way. Okay, so the area of that yellow shaded part is going to be half times by 5 times by 4, right? That's the area of that one. Then we want to, so for volume, we just times by whatever that depth is. So let's just go 8 centimetres, for example. Okay, that's that length there. Okay, and so we're going to times by 8. So it's the area of that yellow part times by the depth there. So let's work out the volume. V equals, so half times 5 times 4, that's 10. And then we're going to times by 8. So we've got 80 cubic centimetres. All right, so we've done 2 examples there. I'll give you another example. Again, we've got a triangle. got a triangular prism. And for consistency, we'll just colour in that. Again, we're going to call it the base. Going to colour in that. Okay, and we need to get some measurements. So let's call that 3 centimetres. Okay, so it's really that height. Can you see that you've got a vertical height there? Okay, so let's call that 8, 6, 7, 8. We'll go 8. 8 centimetres that way. And then the depth of it, let's do 4 centimetres. All right, so we're going to work out the volume. You may wish to stop this video, try to work out the volume yourself, and then keep playing the video afterwards and check your answer to what I do as the video, as the volume. All right. So if you've stopped the video, now I'm going to go through and calculate the volume of this triangular prism. So the area of that yellow shaded section is half times 3 times 8. All right. Multiply that by the depth of that prism. Okay. So half times 3 times 8, that's going to be 12. And then we're going to times that by 4. So 12 times 4 is 48. And again, in this example, we're working with centimetres. So we've got centimetres cubed. All right, so hopefully in this video, these 3 examples have shown you how to calculate the volume of a prism. So you can see in each of the examples, there's actually 3 measurements that we've got there. You can see the 6 centimetres, the height, all right, the vertical height of the triangle, 4 centimetres, and then just how deep that prism is. All right, okay. Thanks for watching.